Hello guys! So kakatapos lang natin mag-deliver ng sisig. So we're on the way to the gym. I know I look so disheveled again because I haven't slept good. So well, we're still gonna go to the gym because we're going on a vacation for my birthday. So we need to look healthy, we need to look good, and that's the gist of it. So see you guys at the gym. Ewan ko if naririnig nyo, pero nasa gym na ako guys. And I'm braiding my hair para makapag-workout na tayo. Naantok ako kasi almost 6 hours lang yung tulog ko. Oh my goodness, I'm still so sleepy. Ang gulo ng braid. Hindi talaga sumusunod sa akin yung left side ko. Anyways, let's go work out. Tapos na tayo mag-gym guys. Nagmamadali tayo kasi meron pa tayong lulutong order bago pumunta sa work. So, let's go home.